position, consult, and year graduated 2022.
And then your work status.
Ang work status kay employed.
Okay, sir. So after the graduation, sir, so you what opportunities you found?
After the graduation, naka-work din ko dito sa Top Plaza sa
Okay, so how do you take you back from your industry?
as a pagka-recent student ako kay mas makamit din ako in real world na work. Then mas napadali man ako phone skills, ako ang knowledge. Then akong knowledge din. Magamit din akong eskwela sa akong course.
So what challenge you encounter in the industry?
For me, wala naman kay na-enhance naman ako ang PGI skills sa pag-eskwela nako. HM sa ako at first, abi din ako sa inyo ako kakapil sa first grade ako pangitaw ko about maths na.
And what experiences and lessons from your school that help to your job?
At ang nag-school pa ko is that ang daily time so medyo struggling na kayo because of the internet connection, but I have many lessons to learn so that time from making videos while cooking, making different dishes, housekeeping, serving guests and more. So nagamit doon siya na ako sa pag-work mas na yan as student time.
So as an employee working, sir, so what characteristics or attributes you share in the industry?
I think being humble lang dun ka, not being good sa imong customer always smart mahal. Kapag na ang lawas magsama sa mga pag sa work, dealing with compete and mostly being hospitable, mao dun na akong pinaka-number one.
So as a graduated student, what thoughts you share to us, sir?
As a graduate, mutuo ko nga importante ang lifelong learning of perseverance. Kinahanglan nga magpabilin tang mga careers kung andam sa mga bagong challenges kay diya sa tinuod nga look.
So in this year 2025, sir, so what is your dedication to your life, career, or academic related?
Stable job, good health sa farm and more money to come.
Wow. So and what motivational quotes that you share to us who's working in the industry?
Success comes to those who work hard, stay humble, and never give up on their dreams.
Wow. Thank you so much for your answers, sir.